Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to get better speed and privacy by using built-in VPN or content blocker with Safari plus app links. If websites load slowly or track your activity, Safari has hidden features that can help. First, enable private relay. Apple iCloud private relay, the built-in VPN-like in feature for Safari only works if you're on iOS 15 or later. Private relay was first introduced to iOS 15. If your phone is stuck on iOS 14 or older, you won't see the option at all. Private relay isn't free. You need at least the lowest tier iCloud Plus plan. Region supported. Apple hasn't rolled it out everywhere. In some countries, the option may be missing due to local restrictions. So, your iPhone has to be updated to the latest iOS to enable private relay, and you need iCloud Plus active. But if you have all of those features, what you guys can do is open settings, then go to your name, and then go to iCloud, and you'll see a private relay option. You'll have to turn it on, and Safari will hide your real IP address and encrypt traffic like a lightweight VPN for privacy. Number 2, go to settings and then search for Safari, then go to extensions and then download a trusted content blocker app from the App Store like 1B Blocker, AdGuard or Vipre. Enable it here and Safari will load pages faster by blocking ads and tracking scripts. Now adjust tracking settings. In settings, go to Safari and then toggle on prevent cross-site tracking and hide IP address trackers, and then this keeps sites from following you around the web. Safety tip: only install content blockers from verified developers on App Store, never from a random website. Quick fix: if Safari slows down after trying to enable, try disabling one blocker at a time to see if it's causing conflicts. Then keep the one that works the best. Subscribe for more quick fixes.